Question number 146. All of the following hormones influence the cellular activities by interaction of hormone receptor complex with the genome except. In case of lipid-soluble hormones, hormone receptor complex interacts with the genome. So among the given options, we have to find out the hormone which is not lipid-soluble. Let's see the options. Option number 1, glucocorticoids. Option 2, testosterone. Option 3, estradiol. And option 4, oxytocin. Glucocorticoids, testosterone, and estradiol are steroid hormones. And steroid hormones are lipid soluble. In case of lipid soluble hormones, receptors are present intracellularly, especially inside the nucleus, and hormone receptor complex interacts with the genome and regulate gene expression. Oxytocin is not a lipid soluble hormone, so correct answer to this question is option number 4. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 147. In testes, androgens are secreted by, and the options given are cells of Sertoli, seminiferous tubules, interstitial cells, and spermatozoa. Androgens are secreted by Leydig cells or interstitial cells. Hypothalamus secrete GnRH. This GnRH through portal circulation reaches to anterior pituitary. And in turn stimulates anterior pituitary to release gonadotropins, that is FSH and LH. LH in males is also known as ICSH, interstitial cell stimulating hormone. This ICSH acts on Leydig cells or interstitial cells, and Leydig cells secrete androgens. So correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 148. Complete the analogy by choosing the correct option. ANF is secreted by atrial wall, then DASH is secreted by JG cells. JG cells secrete renin and erythropoietin. So correct answer to this question is option number 2, erythropoietin. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 149. Insulin is A hormone, whereas glucagon is B hormone. Choose the option that correctly fill the blanks A and B. Insulin decreases blood glucose level. So insulin is a hypoglycemic hormone. Glucagon increases blood glucose level. So glucagon is a hyperglycemic hormone. So correct answer to this question is option number 1. A hypoglycemic, B hyperglycemic. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 150. Stunted growth, mental retardation, and low IQ in growing baby is associated with deficiency of hormone during pregnancy. This hormone is. The symptoms given in the question are of cretinism. And cretinism is due to hypothyroidism. That is, hyposecretion of thyroid hormones, or we can say hyposecretion of thyroxine. So correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's move on to the next question.